Welcome to my channel, folks. Today I'm going to show you how you can use S3 event notification to get updates of anything happen in your bucket. Let us say you have shared a bucket with your customers or partners and you want to be notified if they are uploading new files. Then this is going to be really helpful to you because you can trigger an SMS notification or an email notification or an SQS or Lambda processing. I have written a GitHub article to help you us do this demo, and here we are going to use SNS to send us an email notification. Let us go to the article and see what is required to complete this demo. There are a couple of prerequisites that is required for us to complete this demo, and first one is creating an SNS topic and then updating the topic with the necessary policy permissions so that the bucket can push messages to that topic. And next is subscribing to the topic with an email address where we would like to receive our notification. And finally, we are going to inform S3 bucket so that it will know where it needs to send the messages. So let us go ahead and see the prerequisites in our AWS console. So this is the bucket logs output that is going to be of my interest, and I want to be notified if anything is happening in my bucket. And if I go to my SNS, the thing that we need is a topic. So let us go ahead and create it, and I'm going to call it S3 event notifier. And the display name has to be only 10 characters, so I'm just going to say S3 event. Click on create topic, and next thing is going to update the policy. So for updating the policy, let us choose our edit policy and go to advanced view, and here you have the default policy, but I'm only interested in the ARN number because I have pre-written the policy and we are going to use that policy from here. So here the policy is there. Let us go ahead and copy it, and we just need to update the ARN number here and then the bucket name. So let me just go ahead and make these changes in my notepad. So I've just copied the policy to my notepad. I'm updating my ARN, and then I'm just going to update my bucket name here. Be careful of where we are going to update it so that we don't make any errors here. So just copy this and put it into the SNS policy. So let us update policy. And once this is done, next thing is to subscribe to this topic. So I'm going to choose email and update the email address I have set up for this purpose. So click on create subscription. And if I go to subscriptions, you will find that it is under pending, and you can see here there's a new email has been received, and let me just go ahead and subscribe to it. So once we have it, it will be successfully confirmed. Let me just go ahead and close this one as well as this one and delete this email as well. So let us go to our bucket. Under properties, you will have events. So if there is an existing event, let us go ahead and delete that event as well and create a new event here. I'm going to call it S3 event notifier here, and I want to be notified for all objects. Don't filter it by any prefixes or suffixes. Go ahead and choose SNS topic and see notifier. See that as of now there is no email, but if I click on save, I'll be getting a first event which will say that there is a confirmation from my S3 bucket saying that there is an topic that is configured. You can see here there is an S3 test event. So I'm going to delete this as well and go to console and add a new object here. So let us upload something here and then see whether we are getting email notifications. So I'm uploading a new object called as picture2.jpg, and I should be getting an email anytime soon here. So let me go ahead and open this, and you can see here under the bucket logs output and under object key I have picture2.jpg. So let us delete this and try it once more. I'm going to upload something else now. I'm going to upload a file which is starting with SOM50. I'm just going to click on upload, and it is in progress, and we should be getting it upload, and we should be getting an email now. So there we go. There's another email, and this time is also, you see here, logs output, and the file object key is from. So that is how you set up event notifications for your S3 buckets and get notified of any actions that is happening in your bucket. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.